Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like Heijunka, Hinkanri, Ishikawa and Jidoka. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools are covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools. Video number 3. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste within a manufacturing system. The primary goal is to deliver maximum value to customers while minimizing resources, time, and costs. It focuses on continuous improvement and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Several tools are commonly used in lean manufacturing to achieve these objectives, like Kaizen 5S bottleneck analysis and on just-in-time, JIT, Kanban poker yoke total productive maintenance, TPM, Six Sigma, and more. Much so. Let's start to the main presentation. Heijunka, a fundamental concept in lean manufacturing, embodies the essence of balancing production to meet customer demand while optimizing resources and minimizing waste. Rooted in Japanese principles, Heijunka emphasizes the smooth flow of work by leveling the production schedule. By embracing this technique, companies can enhance efficiency, reduce lead times, and adapt swiftly to changing market demands. Ultimately, Heijunka acts as a cornerstone for achieving operational excellence, ensuring businesses remain agile and responsive in today's dynamic global markets. Heijunka, pronounced Heijunku, is a Japanese word that means leveling. In lean, it refers to the leveling of production, aimed at improving the flow of a process to better match customer demand, reduce waste, and decrease or quit batch processing. No system can be stable with uneven levels of production, and the Heijunka technique deals with this. There are several reasons for unevenness in production. Different activities take different amounts of time to perform. Different products take different activities and times to complete. Different people and different machines have different capacities. Working and setup times. People tend to deprioritize the tasks they do not like doing, which pushes some items off their anticipated completion date. Customer orders don't typically come in an ordered, logical fashion. A temporary material shortage might force deviating from the production schedule. Ishikawa implementation enables businesses to identify and eliminate root causes of problems, fostering continuous improvement and enhancing overall operational efficiency. The Ishikawa diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram, is a key tool in lean methodology. It helps identify the root causes of a problem by categorizing potential factors such as people, processes, materials, and equipment. By visually mapping these causes, teams can analyze complex issues, fostering collaboration and enabling targeted problem-solving in various industries. Its structured approach enhances problem-solving efficiency and effectiveness. Ishikawa diagrams benefit in businesses by providing a structured approach to problem solving, enabling teams to identify root causes efficiently. Their visual representation aids clear communication and collaborative efforts, leading to innovative solutions. By addressing underlying issues, businesses can enhance processes, reduce waste, improve customer satisfaction, and foster a culture of continuous improvement, ultimately contributing to long-term success and competitiveness. Jidoka implementation empowers businesses with automated quality control, reducing defects and ensuring efficient, error-free production processes. Jidoka, a key concept in lean manufacturing, refers to automation with a human touch. It is the principle of building quality into the manufacturing process by empowering machines and operators to automatically stop production when defects are detected. This ensures that problems are identified and addressed immediately, preventing the production of defective items. Jidoka promotes a more efficient, quality-conscious, and autonomous manufacturing system, contributing significantly to overall process improvement and customer satisfaction. Jidoka, a key principle in lean manufacturing, offers several business benefits: quality improvement, cost reduction, efficiency enhancement, employee empowerment, customer satisfaction, reduction in overproduction, data-driven decision-making, flexibility and adaptability, supplier relationships, long-term sustainability. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Heijunka, often referred to as policy deployment or strategy deployment, is a strategic planning and management methodology that originated in Japan. It is a key component of lean management and total quality management systems. Heijunka aims to align the goals and objectives of an organization with its strategic plans and to ensure that every employee is working towards achieving these objectives. 7 common goals associated with Heijunka include strategic alignment, aligning the activities and initiatives of all employees with the organization's strategic goals and objectives. Focus on key priorities, identifying and concentrating efforts on a few vital goals rather than spreading resources too thin across numerous objectives. Cross-functional collaboration, encouraging collaboration and communication between different departments and teams to achieve common strategic goals. Goal deployment, cascading the strategic objectives down to lower levels of the organization, ensuring that every department and individual understands their role in achieving these goals. Data-driven decision-making, using data and metrics to measure progress and make informed decisions, ensuring that actions are aligned with strategic objectives. Continuous improvement, establishing a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and refining strategies and action plans based on feedback and results. Organizational learning, promoting a learning culture where insights and lessons from both successes and failures are analyzed, shared, and integrated into future strategies for ongoing development and growth. Business benefits of Heijunka strategic alignment focus on priorities, improved communication, data-driven decisions, resource optimization, adaptability, employee engagement, long-term sustainability, customer focus, faster execution. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.